Hi, this is John, and in this clip we'll be laying out our top plate and performing the rough cuts on it. On our top plate piece, we're going to use our 48-inch measurement plus our 1-inch gap to figure out our total measurement. Now, our overall length is going to be 46 inches, and our overall height is going to be 4 inches. That's going to give us a 1-inch margin once we lay that top plate on our bottom plate. Now again, if you're cutting off the very end of a board, you're going to want to take a real close look to make sure there aren't any cracks or other imperfections in the wood before you cut it off. Now I'm looking to cut a 46-inch piece. However, if I just come in here and make my mark at 46 inches and make that cut, I'm going to have a couple problems. Now my 46-inch mark is right here. However, I have some damage on my lumber. In addition, I have my edge missing. So I need to probably redo my measurement at somewhere else on the board to see if I can cut that little bad section out. Now when I flip my tape measure over and measure from the other side of the board, I have a good about 50.5 inches before I would hit any damaged areas on the board. And that leaves me a good 4.5 inches or so that I could remove from that other end of the board if it were cracked or if there was a chunk taken off the end. So I'm first going to take off my one end, and I'm only taking off about 3 inches here. Next, I've measured 46 inches, and I'm going to cut my second length of board. If I set that next to my base board, I can see that I do have a 1-inch margin there, and that's exactly what I want.